relative's place.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, nice. Let me just pull up your profile. So, nice. Okay. So currently, where are you working?
Skylab Info.
Skylab Infotech. Okay. Oh, you've been there from right from your beginning of your career.
Yeah.
Okay, nice, nice. And great. And if you could, take me through your profile. I mean, I have gone through it. I mean, I see a lot of experience with so many different technology tools and everything. If you could quickly help me summarize your core area of expertise, your platform, the tools which you consider yourself an expert, that would be really good, Suresh.
Yeah. Tell me about. Once again, very good morning. Name is
Nathan.
Nityan. Yeah. Thank you this opportunity. Just graduated. I have all 4 years in IT and experience. Uh, 5 years in skill and DevOps methodologies.
Okay.
This is the role. It is the past 3 years I have worked in and release the function on of the Jenkins automation.
Hmm.
That's the pipelines creation. The multi-branch pipelines are Jenkins live missions.
Hmm.
It is the pipelines is the CI process for deploying Kubernetes cluster. These artifacts of images. The images, uh, the private repositories stored in that particular or any repositories for that
Hmm.
that image is created to deploy into the Kubernetes. The name is that is
Okay.
AWS architecture. So particularly, majorly, I am doing in a build and release. That is the functionality of my
Okay. Okay. Got it. And how about monitoring?
this monitoring section is the Prometheus Grafana.
I see. Okay.
Yeah,
How long have you been working on Prometheus and Grafana?
is almost 1 year back.
Okay. Since you've been working hands-on with that.
It is basically presently I am worked with servers and everything about Nagios I am working. It is the Prometheus Grafana basically is monitoring the Kubernetes.
Got it.
Is the
Got it.
how to manage the Kubernetes cluster where it is the application is running there how many pods and how many the Grafana index of the graphs depending of the indexes connectivity the different look is very good for that graph.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Got it. Great. And uh, you have experience with, in the early on with Linux administration.
It is primarily I am starting with the Linux administration and a support role.
Okay.
Basically, the commands and all those stuff is primarily in 1 year back. Is
Okay.
after 4 years is the relevant experience 3.4 or around 5. The
Okay.
before starting with the Linux supporting for Linux, starting with
I see.
some Linux boxes. It is the clients are required server.
Okay. Okay. What's your thought process around, because this role, I'm not sure if we discussed this with Pratna, this is going to be like work from home.
Yeah,
Are you comfortable with that environment?
sorry,
Are you
what is
comfortable? Are you comfortable to continue with that environment?
yeah. I'm
And
comfortable that involvement. It is basically present situation is over to that entire the world, but some carry about my company is also the work from home.
okay, okay. And are you open to look at working during with US shift, which is starting in the evening.
Okay, evening shift is not sufficient, but I'm general shift or UK shift is sufficient. That to almost 11 o'clock to work that
Okay.
night is not agree.
Okay. So if let's say if you have to work in US shift for first 2 months, and then you shift to UK shift, then we move to UK shift. Is that okay?
Is basically my side perspective is one offer is present my hand. It is the general shift. It is presently in Hyderabad location because of technology that way. It's 10 lakh
Okay.
package currently.
Okay.
That is
Okay.
the focus to I am general or UK shifts are preferred. It is a no under
Okay. So, but here initially for the knowledge transfer and all, we are looking at someone who can be there for the US shift, okay, which is at least for first 6 weeks. That's why
okay,
I'm saying it's the first, not even 60 days. It's the first 6 weeks, and then we will move you to a UK shift, which starts at 12 o'clock.
okay,
So
okay,
initially it will start at 5:30, but then 5:30 to whatever time it is, and then in 6 weeks time, when complete knowledge transfer, complete understanding has happened between you and the team, then we move you to the UK shift.
okay. It is the client based requirement. It is the
That's right. That's right. So it is not a I cannot call it a client also for because it's a part of our company. It's a partner company. So we are primarily a product company, which is a B2B SaaS company, and we have partners who are invested with us or we are invested in them. Okay.
mhm.
So these are partner companies, which is primarily all B2B SaaS companies. Okay. And you would be working in a product environment where the products are deployed online. Okay.
Mhm.
In the Azure, so no, sorry, Azure, AWS and GCP environment.
Okay, okay. Presently, I'm
Okay.
working in
Okay.
operating of focus in Azure also.
Okay.
Is nothing but is focus to infrastructure. That is
Got it.
it is not at all the problem, but uh, is the US shift or that is the focus to how much amount is demanded. It is the point to identify the your that is the question is asking for me asking for you. One is client requirement the US. It is the but presently I am not. That is the demand of what salary is expectation.
No, sorry, I didn't understand your question.
The salary expectation, what salary expectation is the demand for the client requirement? Salary
Again,
expect. Yeah.
it is not a client. It's a partner. It's a
Okay.
partner company. Okay, so I'm, while while they are a different company with a different B2B product, but we are partner companies. Okay, we are invested into each other. So I cannot call them client because they are not my clients. They are my, we are part of a overall big organization, right? So, uh, I mean, so what's your question?
What technologies are saying is 2 points are mentioned in the particular JD. It is the SRE engineer for DevOps engineer. What role to for the capability of your technologies of your expectation for the knowledge, your
Yes, yes. We basis on the technical interviews which we do with you, we will determine whether you are a good fit for as a DevOps engineer or you're a good fit for a SRE. Okay. I see that you have skills, and I'm not ask, I mean, I saw on your profile that you have experience with Grafana, you have experience with Prometheus, and all the monitoring and visualization tool. Is that correct?
yeah.
Yeah. So since you're hands-on and you also have experience, do you have good experience with SLA? I mean, you under basically not experience, understanding of SLA, SLI, SLO.
Basically, I'm not doing that way. So basically, it is the The structure of technologies I'm working the profile. It is the build and release are primarily focused on that.
Right.
Is the CI/CD, the
Right.
Jenkins, and whatever technologies are your with Bamboo. There is wherever you use. That is the one part, and the second part is deployment section is Kubernetes, Docker, and the AWS Terraform. That is the technologies I'm working. The
Right.
third phase is you are mentioned that the monitoring tools of Prometheus Grafana.
Right.
That is the three phases to build in my career in last few.
Nice, nice. So that's exactly, Suresh, where I see a match, and that's the reason why we are talking to you.
Yeah.
You know, uh, because we see your experience is aligned with what we do. So, in fact, here we have AWS Cloud. We are also looking. We are also moving to GCP. Right. We already have Azure. Right. So we're using the latest tool. In fact, for CI/CD, I don't know. Do you have experience with drone CI?
It is CI basically it is Jenkins, and also you need build of AI in AWS.
Okay. So, so to answer simply, do you have experience with drone CI or you don't have?
Yes, I am experienced.
Okay. For drone CI,
Your voice is
drone,
cutting. But what is a PI? Is CI or
drone, drone CI, DRONE, drone
no, no,
CI.
that is not. Firstly, I am heard about this technology.
Okay. What about Bitbucket pipelines?
It is Git pipelines and Git workflows are doing
Okay. So,
uh, not working in.
okay. Okay. Got it. So, that's what. And you also have experience with, since you have worked with Kubernetes, you also have experience with Kubernetes packet manager like Helm or
Yeah, yeah.
Customize.
Helm is the package.
Right. Right.
Yes, it is the simplest way to deploy into the application. Helm,
Absolutely. 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 So that's where it's good. So now, uh, I mean, you asked me two questions. Okay, one you asked me is the US and the UK shift. As I said, US shift is only for the first 6 weeks. Okay, and this will move to UK shift. Okay, which is 12 o'clock. Okay, so and the first six
UK
weeks
shift.
is
UK shift means after 6 weeks, starting in afternoon,
12
one or
o'clock,
two, yes,
12,
yes, 12 o'clock to end of
9 o'clock,
9,
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. Exactly. I am agree with that.
Yeah. So initially first 6 weeks, because you need to know the team. The team is in US, part team is in LATAM. So you need to know the team, know the technology. I mean infrastructure and everything. So that's why we kept the first 6 weeks for that. Okay, and then we shift our entire team, which is based in India now. Be the development team, be the product engineering team. We did the same model. Okay, so we did initially in the US shift, and then we moved everyone to UK shift.
It
Okay,
is
so
continuously in how many days or not mentioned is the general converted.
6 weeks, 6 weeks.
Yes, yes. UK shift is converted is general shift is the Indian timings
So general
morning.
shift, general shift, we will not go unless there is a specific requirement. Okay, so it will be UK shift only.
Okay, okay,
Okay, so that's very clear.
fine.
Uh, and you had another question also, right? So you currently say that you have already got an offer of 10 lakhs, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Uh, and so what kind of package are you looking for?
Is my package is 14 lakhs.
You already you're looking at 14 because I think Pratna has written 12 here.
Yeah, yeah. It is basically I am expecting for rounds of interview. It is a lot of efforts are there. Better push to that knowledge.
No, sorry, I didn't understand what you mean. Better
It is
push to the no.
getting in the lot of things. It is basically I am working in Bangalore location. It is the 3 years back. Years back to in this time. but very expenditure. It is the money. My background is very. That is the main purpose to asking that package. There is no another way. But it is. I am settling into the Hyderabad location. Very affordable, and I agree to the package is asking.
So, I mean, for me, it is work from home. Whether you work from Hyderabad, whether you work from Bangalore, or you work from
It
anywhere,
is permanently work from home.
it's permanent work from home.
Yeah, yeah. That is the point. It is 12 lakhs and negotiable in that particular 14 and
Oh, I thought it's negotiable between 10 and 12 lakhs.
okay, okay. It is basically an every company is expecting an above 12 lakhs. It is 4.5 years. That is the expectation for basically it is technologies and tools. Every company very high prices present market. That is the better
Yeah,
to
it's a
understanding.
yeah.
It is nothing but I am fixing 10 to 12 lakhs in
Okay, okay, got it, got it. And just to be sure, a note of it.
this technology. I am working way to implementation of this. Uh, Basically, I am working in startup company. Primarily, it is the one of starting in 30 to 40 members. Presently, I am working.
Okay,
That is
okay,
the way to all the tools and technology. Every day is developing.
okay.
Time is ticket raising. All that.
So you have to work in shifts.
Yeah.
Okay. So sometimes you have to work on weekend also.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. 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 So similar thing. I mean, sometime I don't think it will be regular, but sometimes you might have to land up working in a on the weekend. But that will be very very rare because here everything is very planned. You know,
Okay.
in a product company, we can't expect the infrastructure to be down, right? Unless
Mhm.
something goes wrong, right? So Suresh, tell me, you have experience with clusters
Yeah. Kubernetes cluster is
in the
cluster
production environment or in a dev environment?
production and development.
Okay, okay, got it. Good. Um, let me schedule. Ask Pratna to schedule a technical round of interview for you, and we will then take it up from there. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
You have any question for me, Suresh, right now?
There's no questions, and it is decided to the round after that. Decided to technical.
Yeah, yeah. So there will be two technical rounds of interview, and you would be probably given a use case also. A case study will be given for you to actually deploy and show us how you do it. Yeah.
Okay.
So that's going to be the process. Yeah. Your last day is 7th July, right? With your current company? Okay. Perfect. And you can join immediately after that.
Yes.
Perfect. ठीक है, Suresh.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much. We'll get in touch. Yeah. Bye bye.
Bye bye.